my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Joyce Queen, and today I'm sharing something really special, my homemade deep conditioner that gave my hair a new life. If you are struggling with dryness, breakage, or you're just looking for something simple, natural and powerful, keep watching because this recipe right here will blow your mind. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy DIY hair care like this. It really helps this video to grow and reach more natural queens like you. Alright, let's dive in. The first ingredient I use is fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seed is rich in proteins, nicotinic acid and lecithin, which are known to strengthen hair from the roots, fight hair fall and even reduce dandruff. It also helps in reducing dryness and making the hair feel softer and shinier. I added flaxseed as well. Now, flax seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which promote hair growth, reduces breakage, and keep your scalp healthy and hydrated. It also helps to define coils, add a lovely slip to the conditioner, making the tangling much easier. And of course, banana, secret moisturizing agent. Bananas are packed with potassium, natural oils, and vitamins A, B, C. They help to improve elasticity, soften the hair, and prevent split ends. It also helps to smooth frizz and add shine. So I started by boiling the fenugreek seeds and flax seeds together in water until they release their nutrients into the liquid. Once the water thickened a bit and the seed had boiled well, I turned off the heat and let it cool. After cooling, I strained out the water using a wig cap to remove all the seeds. Making sure I got a smooth, nutrient-rich liquid base. And set it aside. Next, I peeled and cut up 3 ripe bananas. At this point, I felt like consuming them. Okay, then I added it with the seed into my blender. I blended everything together first before adding the fenugreek and flaxseed liquid. Then I use a clean wig cap to strain it, just to make sure I get a smooth, creamy consistency with no lumps. Trust me, your hair and scalp will thank you for this. By the way, do you make your own conditioners at home too? I would love to hear what ingredients you use. Drop it in the comments. Now, let me be honest, I forgot to add my DIY hair growth oil while filming. So I added it later off camera. This oil is something I always have around because it is infused with Ayurvedic herbs and it works like magic for scalp nourishment and stimulating growth. I pour the smooth mixture into my applicator jar. This makes it easier to apply when you are ready for your treatment. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel to grow and reach more DIYs lovers like you. Though I didn't film the application part, but I'm going to tell you exactly how I used it on my hair. My hair was in 3 weeks old mini braids and I really needed some deep conditioning. I shampooed my hair as usual to make sure my scalp was clean. Then I applied the DIY deep conditioner generously to my scalp and the braids, making sure everything was coated well. I covered my hair with a nylon bag and my bonnet. Then allowed it to sit for about 30 minutes so my hair could absorb all the goodness. Afterward, I rinsed it out with lukewarm water and moisturized my hair using my leave-in conditioner, homemade butter and my DIY hair growth oil. Let me tell you, my hair felt super soft, hydrated and bouncy. The moisture was real, my scalp felt refreshed and the shine was undeniable. If you are looking for a simple, affordable and effective way to treat your hair at home, this DIY leave-in conditioner is definitely worth trying. It's perfect for all hair types, especially if your hair is dry, brittled or breaking. Let me know in the comments, have you ever used any of these ingredients before? Or are you planning to try this recipe? I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you find it helpful. Hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming hair care videos. And remember sis, healthy hair doesn't come overnight. Be patient, be consistent and keep showing your crown some love. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. Stay blessed and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.